In this video we'll show you how to access hidden menu or instrument cluster diagnostic mode on Mazda 3 in 3 simple steps. So this is a Mazda 3 2009, and to access hidden menu you just have to press on the trip button from the instrument cluster, and you keep holding the trip button until you turn the key on to the on position. Then continue to hold trip reset button till the word test comes up in the odometer. So now we are in the hidden menu. So you have to use the trip reset button to navigate through the series of diagnostic tests. Like this is the 12 code. This is a test for then we'll have 13 code, which is for tachometer. So the next one, the 14 code. Code. We have a list of codes for Mazda 3 on our website. You just have to click on the link from the video description and you will find out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.